myself and I. Let's keep it 1,000, man, you niggas living the lie. Middleman trying to play the plug and making no profit. I'm calling your bluff, niggas, stop it. What it do, gang? You already know, it's your boy, DipGodBo. And I'm back with another banger. I gotta ask my On today's episode, I know y'all been seeing a lot of my work being done lately, and I cannot say I'm more thankful. I have a Mazda that a customer has brought me today. So the customer decided to get dipped by the God. She's going with gloss, black rims, and red calipers. Pretty simple job. Of course, no job is too big when it comes to the Dip God. I'm gonna jump right into the video. Of course, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Like the video, comment at the end, letting me know how you guys feel the car turned out. On that note, I ain't gonna bore you no more with my talking. I'm gonna show you the work. Let's go.
I've been waiting my whole life. Now I finally got my wings. Time to bring my dreams to life. I've been living inside my dreams. Nightmares of failure. On hard work I overdose. Dancing with the devil, but I'm close to God like the Pope. Jesus died for us. I kill for my niggas. Shit, we both saviors. Difference is I'm a sinner. Motherfuck the sky. I'm trying to reach heaven's ceiling. Skip college for the bucks, but nothing like Brandon Jennings. Man, this life gets hard. Trust me, I know. Now it's buried in my back from the friends I've outgrown. I'm a ticking time bomb on that ladder to success, and I'ma blow at the top like suicide bombers in heaven. Used to play hide and seek with my friends on the block. Got older and I played the same games with the cops. Used to drive my 95 Saturn crazy across the city. That was back in 09 when life seemed never ending. Yeah, I skipped classes to attend the dough. I rolled A+ blunts, but never ever made the honor roll. They ask questions cause they say I'm misleading. They ask, is he a thug, is he an angel or a demon? They ask, is he the illest or the realest nigga breathing? I say I'm all that, bitch, I'm Kel and Keenan. Gave my all to the game, I got it all from the streets. My words carry life, my heart lives for the beat. Tales of Greek gods fall short of my legend. My competitors get handed upside down sevens. I had to burn it cause if niggas tried to play the boy, I show them how that fire works like July 4th. I was taught to never get caught in the moment unless it's the moment that you've been waiting your whole life for. Wonder if Pac got guys screaming thug life. He was wearing the Magic jersey at that stoplight. So it was destined that I come from my city, have all eyes on me and kill the game while screaming thug life. It's MBM, we so committed. I am the general, do not fuck with my lieutenants. Like, bruh, man, bullets through your window, unexpected. Then resend the same text if you didn't get the message. Painting this portrait, I pray to God that it's vivid. I remember the days when nobody would pay attention. I remember the nights recording, hoping they'll listen. Now I'm having meetings with names I don't even care to mention. It's crazy. I made it through all of the death traps. Now I'm that nigga, you niggas gotta respect that. It's MBM and you niggas gotta respect that. You fuck with us and you catch a permanent setback. I treat the game like this is the only way up. For nothing else, I'm coming for that motherfucking paper. What's up? Yeah. Huh? Lil nigga, what's up? Yeah, you gotta feel me, what's up? It's MBM, what's up?
You doing all this on YouTube?
Yeah, I will still be on YouTube.
Wow. Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's still wet. Give it about 72 hours.
It looks not wet.
Hey, a new Puerto Rican.
Get these ladies.
That's how it always should look as long as you keep your car clean. So with that being said and done, another customer happy, another customer satisfied. Of course, if you want that done to your vehicle, make sure you jump in my DMs on Instagram at DipGodBo, and we can get something booked. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like I said, a lot of y'all are watching my videos but aren't subscribed. I'm trying to get monetized. Smash that subscribe button, drop a like on the video, and of course comment on this video letting me know how you think the car turned out. On that note, it's Sunday, it is 7:12. I'm about to go home, cook some dinner, make me a drink, and get ready for Monday. Y'all have a blessed week.
In my eyes as a youngin', I was fooled into living the American dream, and I took my ass to school. I never finished cause they drug tested for every job, and I refused to be some bait to the crackers holding that fishing rod.